that Hailey uses Kindle all the time into like promoting her business is hilarious. But it's like, I'm not bashing her, I'm not trying to, you know, start anything, but it's like she always starts it though, you know what I mean? She always like is the one that initiates these like weird things. Hi guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It's Saturday morning. I am behind with the videos. I'm going to sit down and do videos for the channels. I was busy. I took some time off for my birthday. I celebrate the whole month of April really, but I had to go to a beach house in Malibu with my surgeon friend. He's not really my boyfriend. We're just having a lot of sex. So since yesterday, April 21st till the 28th, you guys can use the promo code SELL10% to get a discount on all the products. EllieArket.com. Everything's vegan, organic, cruelty-free. Literally, if you guys want to repair your skin, if you want to have flawless like skin like for the rest of your body, my soap, I highly suggest it. With my website, so a lot of the reviews are on the reviews of my products are always on my main website, EllieArket.com, but I separated the websites and I didn't really do anything to like, you know, make it look good and stuff like that. I just like, you know, set it up. There's no reviews on that, but if you guys go to the main website, EllieArket.com, there's a lot of reviews about the products and stuff like that. But my serum, the soap, the face cream, highly suggest if you guys want to have really clear skin for your face and body. I highly suggest it. So go get it. And my hair is so thick and it's growing, thank God. I am literally tying my hands behind my back so I don't, you know, touch it, because I want to go orange, but I have to wait. And I got some extensions for it and stuff, but bitch, just gotta wait because the hair's gotta grow. So I forget to use this, but when I do use it, I feel a huge difference. Like it's like fluffs up my hair or something. I have a 100% biotin vegan with vitamin B7 hair growth serum. This you put in on the roots and you put it all over your hair, and it's literally amazing and it's like magic and it makes your hair super thick. So I didn't really wash my face. Well, I guess my face is washed because I took a shower last night and I washed my hair. I wash my hair like on Fridays, like Friday nights. And I was like beating my puppy a little bit because I was like about to get in the shower. So I get in the shower, I took her out. She had diarrhea yesterday. Basically, she kept like wanting to go out. She was at the door and I had meetings and like a lot of client sessions and stuff like that. So she was really annoying yesterday and I just like had it up to here. And so I get in the shower, I'm like wet in the shower, under the shower, full on like wet. The water pouring over my head. She comes into the shower, she comes into the bathroom, like she has to go out again. I got so mad. Anyways, I toweled myself up, took her out. She had to poop again. She had like diarrhea. And then I took like my brush and I was like spanking her. And then she didn't go out again till this morning. I felt so bad, of course, but she really pissed me off yesterday. So now she's all quiet still, but I took her out and she gave me kisses and everything's okay. But she's like a child, you guys, literally. It's amazing having a chihuahua. It's like you have it. I don't know why I'm talking so much because I haven't been on camera and I just want to blab. But so I didn't wash my face officially this morning because I took a shower last night and I feel like my face is washed because I washed my face. I have a soap at my bathroom sink and I have a soap inside my shower, like, you know, the shelf thing. So in the shower, I basically use my soap for my face and my body, and it's really amazing. It hydrates your skin. You don't even feel like you have to wear anything. And actually last night I fell asleep not wearing any of my products, so my face is literally from last night from the shower washed, no products on it, no lotion, no serums. I'm out of my 24 karat gold day serum. As you guys can see, only this much is left. Like I obviously use my own products. I just want to show you guys so you guys know I use my own products. So since that is out and I have to go open another bottle, I'm going to go in with my night serum, which is a thicker consistency and it has gold in it. I can see. I'm just gonna go in with the night serum, and a lot of people ask me which one should I buy. They're both amazing. The only difference is that the day serum is more of like a watery consistency. It's almost like a toner. It feels like a toner. It absorbs into your skin quicker, and the night serum is a thicker consistency, and you just kind of want to always let these like just like sit on your skin. I always put it on the back of my hand because that's the first sign of aging because of the sun. And you know, I live in Los Angeles, California, so it's sunny here. So I always do this, and it just, you know, try to keep the hands young because you don't want to grow old. I was on TikTok last night, saw like the craziest thing. Now, I don't know if this is true. Disclaimer, just do this for entertainment purposes only. This is just what I saw and I heard, and I don't know if it's true or not. I'm going to go in with my retinol face cream, which is hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. This is literally amazing. Most hydrating face cream. If you have really dry skin, get this because it's going to change your life. I saw a girl that apparently, this account, I don't know, I can't remember the name of the account to tell you guys. I can't put anything here because I'll get in trouble with copyright and all that, like reused content. Apparently Justin Bieber reached out to Selena and said to tell the Selenators to back off. That's the rumor. I don't know why Selena wouldn't say so though. If that's true, I just don't think like Selena would ever like hide that from her fans. You know what I mean? It just kind of sounds weird. Now she's saying it's been reported, like it's been reported, and basically that's what they're saying. But the fact that if indeed Justin Bieber actually contacted Selena to tell her fans to back off from Hailey, that's hilarious. Like literally power. If that's the case, that's pretty insane. And also, Hailey Bieber posted, I don't know where she posted this. I don't know if it's on Instagram or TikTok. I just saw people talking about it. And basically, she's posted something like, since 2023, it's been really, really difficult for me, and blah, 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 blah. And I've been going through a lot, and I just blah, 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 whatever. But it's like, I'm not bashing her, and I'm not trying to, you know, start anything, but it's like she always starts it though, you know what I mean? She always like is the one that initiates these like weird things. And again, you know, like let's say if she is indeed obsessed with Selena and she wants to just like copy Selena, well, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just kind of really transparent to the fans and the people that are truly, you know, love Selena and they follow her and they just like literally know everything about her, what she wears, what she says. So when they see like a duplicate version of that, obviously they're going to point it out. Like, you know, I have a thing for the K-pop stars, you know, like I love BTS and I know their personalities. I know exactly how their personalities are, how goofy they are, like what they say, the way they are, the whole thing. Cause like I watch them. I watch Selena, Justin, and Hailey. I just like follow the gossip. I'm sitting here thinking about how I'm gonna become a millionaire bitch. I'm not really worried about celebrities. I have clients that rely on me and I do spells and I do sessions and readings and coaching and healing. The what's in my kitchen thing is really awkward and cringe because basically she invited Kendall again. The fact that Hailey uses Kendall all the time into like promoting her business is hilarious. So I didn't watch it, but I saw clips of it on TikTok. Motherfucking trash people are out there. Every time I sit down to do a video, fucking trash people are out there. Like, what do you guys want from me? It really fucking pisses me off, man. Like, fuck. Go away, bro. Do a little bit of eyeshadow moments. I manifested having boobs, you guys. It's really crazy about manifestation. If you guys care about, you know, if you guys care about your own lives, you know, and you want to learn how to manifest, I'm about to buy a Porsche. I haven't decided which, but it's like, when you guys see my new Porsche SUV, you guys gonna shut yourselves. So I know you want to sit here and think about celebrities. That's cool. Do that. Do what you gotta do, bro. But if you care about your own lives and you want to manifest, maybe you should book a session with me, or if you can't afford it, go and join my private Facebook group. It's called Manifest with Ellie. Basically, you go to the website EllieArket.com under book now. It will say join my private Facebook group. You click on it and you'll pay a one-time fee and my assistant will add you in. Anyway, people are kind of, you know, talking about how Kendall and Hailey's like energy was kind of cringe. But I don't think it was cringe. I think basically that's like Kendall's personality. Like even when you see her talk to her sisters, that's how she is. She just kind of has this kind of a very controlling personality. I don't think it's cringe. I just think that that's just how she is. And it's really funny because I thought that, what's her name? Hailey knows how to cook. But the way it was being presented was like she doesn't know what the fuck she's doing in the kitchen, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna go in with my blushes and then I'll do highlighter. I'm gonna use my hands to put the highlighter on. Anyways, I just think it's really interesting that every time Hailey tries to get views on her YouTube channel that she brings in Kendall. Now, if I was Kendall Jenner, I don't know how I would feel like that. I guess Kendall really loves her, but I don't know, just kind of like she literally uses people. A lot of people were talking about the fact that, you know, Kendall Jenner basically had a full-on thing going on with Justin Bieber. And then after that, like he got with Hailey, or he was on and off with Hailey. And also, you know, Travis Scott went through the Jenners, like he slept with like Kendall before he got to Kylie, and then Tyga, same thing. Like a lot of these people that are like, you know, they just kind of like date everybody in the family. And then I don't know, it's just kind of weird that that happens. Also, everybody's talking about how they think like basically Kourtney Kardashian's son, I think his name is Rain, literally looks like Justin Bieber. And that was around the time that they were rumored to have something going on. So it's just really messy, you guys. I'm gonna use my lip gloss Meadow. This is the darkest lip gloss I have. There are 6, I'll put it on the screen. And this is the darkest one. Now, I always put it like, I take it, and these actually stain. The darker lip gloss is actually stained, so I put a little bit on my cheeks. And like I said, you guys can use my lip glosses and my lipsticks for lipstick, for blush, for eyeliner, for eyeshadows. I always use my lip glosses summertime, and I just like put it on my cheeks and I put it like on my lips, and that's all I wear. Everything is vegan, so it's eye safe, all of that shipping. So this is Meadow. It's a really beautiful like chocolatey lip gloss. We have the lightest nude to the darkest. There's 6 shades. You have to buy them together. So EllieArket.com. If you guys like the makeup that you see and you like the skincare and you want your skin to look like this and you want to look like a goddess like I do, let me put my little bitch. Yes, let me take these off. So this is the look of the day, and it's very simple. As you guys saw, I don't have eyelashes, mascara. It's just eyeshadows, and I use the darkest eyeshadow, the black one I use the black one for the corners, and then blush, highlighter, and my gloss Meadow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about all this drama that's going on. I said if you guys want to worry about your own lives and you want to learn how to manifest from the master, because I do magic and manifestation together for my clients. So let me know, EllieArket.com, if you guys want to book a session, healing, coaching, all that good stuff, spouse. If you guys want to purchase the products, EllieArket.com. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.